nervous, on the surface I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Danielle if you're new.
And I'm Andrew.
That's my husband Andrew. And we are at the NAS Oceana Air Show for 2024. So we're really happy to be here. It's my first time going. Andrew has been to many air shows.
I've fixed Navy aircraft for 20 plus years.
Right, so it's not, the shiny has worn off. We decided to go ahead and bring you along for the journey, show you some really cool aircraft. Even Busch Gardens likes air shows. Check this out, they have their own booth. Busch Gardens, woohoo!
Okay friends, I wanted to do a quick voiceover because as you can imagine, it got pretty loud on that flight line and Andrew and I were not able to really talk to you guys while we were filming. So a quick little intro here of what you're going to be seeing. It was my first air show, so I walked around and I looked at all the aircraft along with other things like helicopters and boats, and there was a whole bunch of things at this air show. And they had lots of different foods, so I think I show a couple of the food trucks there and some merchandise because that's always fun to look at. And then at the very end of this video, you're going to see the Blue Angels. And for those of you that don't know who the Blue Angels are, they are a select group of pilots in the United States Navy, and they do some pretty intense maneuvers. They're a lot of fun to watch, and it was just really cool. So be sure to watch all the way to the end so you can see them. They're amazing. A little bit about me and why I'm interested in this. I actually work on this base, like right now, as a civilian. I work on this base at NAS Oceana, and before that, I was active duty in the United States Navy, and I was stationed here. This was my first duty station, my only duty station. So NAS Oceana is kind of like a home away from home, and I had never been to an air show. So I figured it was about time that I did my due diligence and I saw the air show, and I'm so happy that I did. If you guys are interested in seeing more about where I work or seeing more aircraft, then I have two videos on my channel that might interest you. One of them involves me actually doing some work on an aircraft carrier, and the second one is a day in the life work edition. So I will link both of those videos down below in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in a comment down below. If you like this video, you'd like to see more stuff like this, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please enjoy.
I'm nervous, on the surface I look fine. My brain feels heavy, my traumatized mind. And I'm so tired, I can't feel my eyes. Whoa, whoa. I'm petty, but I know how to lie. I feel feelings that I can't describe. I'm not breathing, but I'm still alive. Whoa, whoa. But I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. years have passed. I wait around for things to change, but change has not come fast. I'm asking all the questions, but then I question them. Like, what's the point of living, existing when you can't see your God in flesh? I'm looking for the answers, they say to pray instead. I think I'll find them one day, but with a helping hand. I know that it's not easy, but I believe I will. Yeah, I'll get over all my fears and really conquer everything. I think I'll be alright, 'cause I'm not giving up, I'm not giving up yet. I feel that it's my time, so I'ma give it everything. I'ma give it everything I got. So I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything, I'ma give it everything I got. I'ma give it everything I got. Ooh, you wanna come and get me?